did I not get that recorded? Hey, check this out. Did I ever show you this bracelet? This was a craft at Mill Dam Meetup I went to in Florida. And I didn't get to go. I was doing a tour on a van, and I did not get to go to the meetup, or to the craft. And then I saw a lady, well, then I went and did another tour on a van, and she had her bracelet from the craft. I'm like, oh, I wanted to go to that. So anyway, I went by, I was saying goodbye to everybody before I left, and I said, I really wanted to make that bracelet. I love it so much. And so looky what she gave me. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. And it's just wire, and it just, but I wore this all the way home to Missouri and slept in it, and it's just, it's so comfortable. I just love it. Love it. Anyway, I'm gonna put her name in there.